Hello everyone. So today we are going to see group by a function. There is predefined function in pandas. Okay. So what I have done first, I have imported the pandas. Okay, as you see, this is the data frame I have created it, and I'm printing the data. So I print it. You can see the data frame got printed. In which what happened? Who is one column, second one is bar. Again in pg underscore set one, 2 and page underscore set. So how many categorical data are over here and how many numerical data columns are there? For the video, the question is that how many categorical columns are there and how many numerical data are there. Columns I mean. Pause the video and write in the chat. Now, good. So what happened? How many categorical data are there? 2, 1, plus 1 and 2 are category are there. Bar is 1, another categorical column, which A, B, C, 3 categories are there. Okay, these 2 are your categorical columns. Coming to numerical, you have 2 columns over here. P's underscore set 1 is 1 numerical because numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another column is what? P's underscore set 11, 12, 13 numbers are there. So that's the reason we are saying what? Numerical data. Fine. Now coming to group by, what happened? We need to group to is. Isn't it? Grouping. Group by itself shows that we are going to group it. So if all the categorical columns are only going to appear over here, okay, in your group by. You have to select it or you can save to the data. Data frame that with respect to categorical data, I want to group it out by the column name of the category. So pause the video and write in the chat box if I want to categorize in this or I want to apply the group by in this data frame, which all columns, with help of which all columns I will write in by or which all columns I will use as a group by. Write in the chat box. Which all columns you are thinking will be taken as your group by. Pause the video and write in the chat. Good. So we can do the group by using categorical columns as we have said. So foo is one column, another one is bar. Okay. Now we will see how to do the group by their syntax. So syntax of group by. Make sense? The first syntax is df dot group by all in small. df data frame dot group by and then you have to write the column name, which categorical column name, which what you want to do the group by. Makes sense? And then you have to do what? You have to use which function you want to use it. Aggregate function. Either you want to do sum or you want to do max, all those things you can do. So first syntax. Another, in this what will happen in the first syntax, you will get all the numerical columns their value. But if suppose I want only one numerical value, okay, numerical values column, in that you have to what? df dot group by equal to column name and then you have to give I want the selected numerical column. Okay, and then you have to do what? Then you have to apply it. You forgot that. Fine. Now we will see the live. Good, make sense? So what I'm doing in this way, I will print printing out df dot group by, and that's all I'm writing foo with respect of, and then I'm giving what I want the sum of. Make sense? And execute. So you got, this is my data frame, and I got the foo group by value 1 and 2, and the numerical values were what? Column these underscore set 1, these underscore set 2. So one summation of 1 through 2 plus 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, the output is 4 plus 5, 5 plus 6, the output is 11 plus 12 plus 13, the output is 13. Okay? If it has been any of the place, it is not that same. It is not compulsory that you need to have 1, 1, 1 continuously. One can be in any of the place, in any of the. Okay? Now we want to find only the these underscore set 1 column. Yes, sir. So for that, another syntax we have to create. Now we are going to see the second syntax and how to do the module. So what I'm doing is that print, okay, and then group by 2, I'm just writing it out so that I can identify what the output is coming, how the output is coming. Okay, and df dot group by, and here what I'm going to do is that inside this, by default it has taken y, by, I'm writing by over there, and then foo, makes sense, and dot sum over it. Okay, saving the file and execute. So still the output is same on the same output I'm getting it. Okay, and now what happened? Two columns I'm getting, two numerical columns, or all the numerical columns which all you have will be same as will become as an output. I want to find only these underscore set. So what I'm gonna do over here, print group by 2 slash n for new line. Okay, df dot group by y equal to foo, and then I'm selecting only the second column is underscore set 2. Okay, and then I'm doing a operation of sum. Now I'm executing it, so I'll get only and only this underscore set 2 their sum of 1 and 2, as you can see over there. Make sense? Now suppose by 3 plus n. Okay, df dot group by y equal to 2. Okay, closing this one, and then what? This underscore set 1, and then dot b. Saving the file, securing it. So I got the 1, 2, and sum is what? 6 and 6. Okay, thank you. So like this only you can do, we can write in the comment, okay, all the aggregate function like mean, median, mode, all those things you can do, and you can write in the chat box, okay, in the comment box you can write it, okay, all those syntax what we have to do. So that is an assignment. Do all the almost 2 to 3 you do it, okay, all the aggregate function, and write in the comment. I'll check it in the comment and I'll reply back, okay, for sure. Okay, bye bye.